The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Pangasinan in Region 1 or Ilocos region. The province of Pangasinan has the municipality of Lingayen as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 1 or Ilocos region. It is composed of 4 cities, 44 municipalities, and 1,364 barangays. It was founded on April 5, 1580, and the total land area is 5,451.01 kilometers squared or 2,104.65 square miles. Pangasinan is bordered clockwise from the north by the Lingayen Gulf, La Union, Benguet, Nueva Vizcaya, Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Zambales, and the South China Sea. The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Pangasinan in Region 1 or Ilocos region are the following. We have the municipality of Agno with 17 barangays, municipality of Aguilar with 16 barangays, the city of Alaminos with 39 barangays, the municipality of Alcala with 21 barangays, municipality of Anda with 18 barangays, municipality of Asingan with 21 barangays, municipality of Balungaw with 20 barangays, and the municipality of Bani with 27 barangays. We also have the municipality of Basista with 13 barangays, municipality of Bautista with 18 barangays, municipality of Bayambang with 77 barangays, municipality of Binalonan with 24 barangays, municipality of Binmalay with 33 barangays, municipality of Bolinao with 30 barangays, municipality of Bugalion with 24 barangays, and the municipality of Burgos with 14 barangays. We also have the municipality of Calasiao with 24 barangays, the city of Dagupan with 31 barangays, the municipality of Dasol with 18 barangays, municipality of Infanta with 13 barangays, municipality of Labrador with 10 barangays, municipality of Lawak with 22 barangays, municipality of Lingayen, which also serves as the provincial center or provincial capital with 32 barangays, and the municipality of Mabini with 16 barangays. We also have the municipality of Malasiki with 73 barangays, municipality of Manawag with 26 barangays, municipality of Mangaldan with 30 barangays, municipality of Mangatarem with 82 barangays, municipality of Mapandan with 15 barangays, municipality of Natividad with 18 barangays, municipality of Pazurubio with 34 barangays, and the municipality of Rosales with 37 barangays. Next is the city of San Carlos with 86 barangays, the municipality of San Fabian with 34 barangays, municipality of San Jacinto with 19 barangays, municipality of San Manuel with 14 barangays, municipality of San Nicolas with 33 barangays, municipality of San Quintin with 21 barangays, municipality of Santa Barbara with 29 barangays, and the municipality of Santa Maria with 23 barangays. We also have the municipality of Santo Tomas with 10 barangays, municipality of Sison with 28 barangays, municipality of Sual with 19 barangays, Municipality of Tayog with 21 barangays, Municipality of Omingan with 58 barangays, Municipality of Orbistondo with 21 barangays, the City of Ordaneta with 34 barangays, and the Municipality of Villasis with 21 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Pangasinan in Region 1 or Ilocos region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.